Today,
What?
we are making...
What?
Wait for it.
What?
We're making Japanese pancakes.
Japan cakes.
I mean, it's almost like eating dessert. It is dessert.
It tastes like cake,
They're pancakes because we're using pancake mix.
but it's cake.
First step, we're gonna separate our eggs. You need 4 egg whites and 2 egg yolks.
Okay.
Separated into different bowls.
I will do the egg yolks. This is gonna be messy, folks.
No! I was just gonna say, have you seen all the tricks about how to get your yolks out
Yeah,
if
just
that
like
happens?
that. Hey, friend over there, can you throw me the paper towels?
Ooh.
Amazing
Good
how that
throw.
works. We have successfully separated our yolks from our whites.
We have.
Step 1
We have.
completed.
Next step, combine sugar and egg yolks. This is a 4th cup sugar. It is a little messy. I know. All right. Will you do the honors of dumping in our vanilla and milk?
Sure. Vanilla and milk.
And I would say about 2 teaspoons vanilla. I love vanilla extract. I could always put more vanilla extract in a recipe. It did pretty good though. It's not splattering too much. And now our pancake mix. It's 3/4 cup pancake mix.
Sarah's had heat to this like hand mixing.
No, literally, I don't even think you really need a hand mixer for this. Just blend it all. Try to get as many of the clumps out as you can.
I actually just wrote an article on baking tips for beginners.
tips?
That you need, when it says blend and combined well, it means you cannot have any clumps left because that is key to that airiness for it to rise properly.
Like the chemistry, right?
It gives it the air bubbles it needs in order for it to rise.
Well, this recipe requires a lot of air bubbles. I don't have a sink nearby.
Bacteria covered.
Bacteria. Now Lauren's gonna lick it. No. What we're gonna do next is we're going to fluff our egg whites
Oh.
into stiff peaks.
Okay, and this is, you definitely need a hand mixer for this.
You definitely need a hand
tried to do
mixer.
it just myself whisking.
you?
It was the worst thing. I stood there for like 15 minutes like, oh my God,
bet.
and it still never whisked.
Here we go. It doesn't take long. Lauren's scared I'm gonna flip it on her. We're gonna combine our egg whites into our batter, but that's actually the key to this recipe is getting your sprinkles right. So hang tight. All right. I think we're there.
It's so weird that egg whites do that.
so cool?
It's so weird.
We are going to whoop.
This is why I stand far away
Yeah,
from the
that's
table.
fair. We are going to
Yes.
gently fold in.
I also learned what fold in means
Oh,
in
did
my
you?
article. So you're adding a lighter mixture to a heavier mixture, and you need to push down with the spatula, move across the bottom, and then come to the top and across the top, and
Wow.
repeat that. That's folding in.
I didn't even know that there was that specific of a technique
Yep,
to it.
I'm making you a better baker. Who would
Yeah.
have thunk it would be me?
Mm-mm.
Push down.
All of it. You gotta get all of it in there.
Well, I'm working in stages here
Oh,
to
okay.
make sure that it folds in properly.
Ooh, this is a good folding technique. It's
you.
working really well.
Looks good. It looks like it's folded in, folks.
Beautiful. Lauren is a folding pro.
Mixture looking good.
Beautiful. We still have to put our sprinkles in. What I found when I was doing this recipe is if you pour it in now, they'll start to melt and dissolve into the batter. What I found is, or as you're scooping the batter, if you sprinkle some and kind of stir them in as you're pouring it, then it stays pretty and colorful. Before we turn on our heat, we need to butter our pan. And then for this recipe, we'll be using these molds. They're 3.5 inch round molds that I found on Amazon. And these need to be buttered on the inside. You need like a really good coat of butter on
So
the
it
inside
doesn't
of these
stick.
guys. There you go. There's a good dollop. So
love
much
me some
butter.
butter.
Yeah, I know. Lauren's favorite thing is butter. She loves butter.
I actually really do like butter.
Oh, you just don't eat it.
Only grass-fed butter for me. Is that enough?
Yeah, you could even do a little more. Like, don't be shy here.
Okay, so you can never put too much.
Yeah,
in this.
as much as you can get. And then I'm going to use the rest of this to just put it in our pan. You want it on a really low heat. So these are gonna take a while to cook on a really low heat.
Why? So they don't burn on the
So
bottom.
they don't burn on the bottom.
Because the heat, it's gonna be as thick as these pans, and the heat needs to get through all of them to really cook it. Like cake. Cake, 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 cake. I'm just gonna do that the whole time we're cooking.
I know this, but
You know the song. You don't know the song? We're making cake, 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 cake.
Got
Such
it.
a good
I
song.
get it.
If you can make millions of dollars off of saying one word
Seriously.
over and over and over again, why would you not?
True. That's true. I mean, respect.
Pie, 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 pie.
What? You just made millions.
That would be amazing. Gum, 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 gum. I'm gonna drop this joke now. I think it's gone on long enough.
I'm gonna use these sprinkles. There's this nice little technique here.
It's so stuck in my head now.
Yeah, I bet.
This would be a lot better with like a spatula, so you don't have to stick your fingers in the batter.
Whatever, we're getting messy here.
I'm gonna do a lot.
I believe you.
Oh, you better
I'm gonna do
believe
more.
it. No, you can't do more. That was my technique.
Then I give them a little stir. You wanna fill your little pans here about halfway full. So I'll have to do this a couple times.
Oh, my sprinkles went to the bottom. I'm gonna have to mix it in there.
Oh, mine didn't. Mine are nice and mixed through.
Yeah, I'm gonna blast that song in my office for the rest of the day after this. Get ready for it, folks.
So I've gotta leave early today. I have a really important doctor's appointment.
I'll drive you. It's not safe to drive by yourself.
Perfect. You can
I'll be DJ.
take me to the Mental Health Institute.
Mine is done. And you know what? Sprinkle some more sprinkles in
on
there.
top, huh?
How many do you have, Jess?
A lot. So many.
Mine's probably gonna end up so strange because I've put so many sprinkles.
They're all gonna sink. Now we wait for them to cook, but we do it with a lid, so all the heat stays in. Now, this took about 10 to 15 minutes before they're ready to flip.
What did you do during that 10 to 15 minutes?
One word over and over and over again that made someone
It's
millions of
supposed
dollars.
to be like, it's supposed to inspire twerking. You know.
I'm gonna go wash my hands while these cook.
Great. We should play elevator music.
Yes. Cue the elevator music.
We didn't go on the same. Oh yeah, I know. So great.
We're back.
Hello.
Hello.
We took our elevator back up to the recipe. We have
15
a
minutes.
undercover underground cave office.
Oh, that would be cool.
That would be so cool, like our bat cave. So this was not 15 minutes.
No, this was more like 25 minutes.
Yeah, you just gotta watch them.
'em.
But you know they're done when.
Yes. When you shake them, if your centers are set, you're good to
Yeah.
flip.
And I have to tell you, halfway through, it just was really scared that mine weren't working because I put too many
They
sprinkles.
were looking flat.
But look,
But it's nice and puffy.
it just needed a little extra time.
Mine is ready to flip.
'Kay.
Yours is gonna take a couple more minutes. The hardest part of this recipe is the flip. So here we go.
Any techniques? Put on an oven mitt.
Put on an oven mitt. Use a spatula to get underneath the pancake. The underside of the pancake is nice and cooked. It's good to go. And then I just kind of like gently
Guide it.
But I don't. I just go for it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I want to do the next one.
All you.
It looks beautiful though.
Yeah, nice and crispy on top. Takes about 5 more minutes to cook. I recommend getting your knife. I got this like really long, thin
Oh,
knife.
they smell so good.
They smell good. And I'm just gonna run the knife along the edge so that it sinks down.
What sinks down?
The rest of the pancake,
Oh,
like so
okay.
it really hits the oven.
Do you want me to sing to you while you do this?
that would
Cake,
be
cake,
nice.
cake,
Oh no,
cake,
not that
cake,
song.
cake.
I think you're about ready.
Okay.
All right, it's all you.
I'm scared.
I had a couple tries where it spilled a little bit. The cool thing is the top is still uncooked, so you can flip them, and if some of the batter falls out, they end up just fine.
I've got it up. I'm so excited to
All
see.
right,
Oh,
where's your
mine
angle?
doesn't look hard on the bottom.
Oh, it's because you have so many sprinkles. No, it's good. It looks
good?
crispy. Yeah.
Okay. This is
Other way.
scary.
I would do the other. I would go back and flip
Like
forward.
this way?
Yeah. But
I'm
like,
gonna have to switch hands.
just kinda put it and then go for
two.
it. Yeah. Woo! You did it.
Look at mine. It looks so,
then-
messed up.
Well, it just had a lot of sprinkles in it, but it's gonna be great.
So maybe like don't be so overbearing with the sprinkles like I was.
It'll be tasty though.
It doesn't look like it's cooked all the way through.
No, it is. Because look at how toasty your bottom is. Look at your toasty bottom. So then we are going to cover these for about 5 more minutes. Let them do their thing. And we will have Japan cakes.
Back down to the bat cave.
Yeah, seriously.
Let's
this
go,
takes a
Robin.
while.
Back up, Robin.
Batman?
Yes, I am Batwoman.
Catwoman.
Batwoman. Why do I gotta be a cat?
Well, you know, you don't quite have the The deep Batman voice.
You don't know that.
That
That was deep.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, I can be up here, like really high. Or I can talk like this. Sounds like I've been smoking for a long time.
A long time.
Mine is so horribly
This
ugly.
is gonna be real colorful. It's not ugly, it's unique.
It's so ugly. All right, how do we get them out?
Well, that's the question, isn't it? Mine should be pretty easy.
Whoa, where did the pan
Wow,
on the
it's
stove
gone.
go?
I don't know.
Those are mine.
Magic.
Batman powers. That's right, Robin. I sound more like Gollum.
Yeah, or I was gonna say Bane.
Looks uncooked.
It's just a lot of sprinkles.
Yeah, they all melded together and most of them are brown.
It's kind of pretty though.
Is it?
There's beauty in it.
Is it? I always have to push the limits, and I just wrote about this, like, just follow the steps, step by step, follow the rules. I don't like
Don't
to
get
follow the rules,
fancy.
but you need to.
You like to get
And then I did this. Like, yours looks great.
There you go.
It looks like it pooped itself.
Should we cut it open?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it tastes like candy.
I know, because it's literally just sprinkles. No!
How come all the sprinkles went to the outside?
What in the world?
That is weird.
So many sprinkles. I would recommend putting half the sprinkles in that I put in.
I like it.
All right, well, what's next?
We have to make a rainbow syrup.
Okay, so we're actually going to be dyeing the syrup so that it matches our rainbow colors.
Food colors, knives.
So basically you just drop the food coloring in, right?
Mm-hmm.
How many drops do you do?
Just a kind of a drizzle.
I love colors.
Me too.
That's why I'm not choosing any color for my wedding. I'm doing
All the colors. You are. We should make these for your wedding.
No.
Japan cakes.
These take way too long for 8 people.
So I kind of just tried to drizzle so that it got all the color like kind of all over. And you want more yellow and orange than the other colors since those are gonna be the lighter ones. So it's better if it falls off the side and kind of streakies. Get all the rainbows on your plate.
And there you have it.
Japanese
Rainbow
pancakes.
Japanese pancakes. Look at how beautiful this is. That is just rainbow perfection.
Mmm.
How is it? I'm gonna dip it in some syrup. I think that is it, folks.
That's all, folks.
Cool. Pretty easy. Back down to the Batcave.
Oh, bad cave. Wait.